Well, hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. This is day number 2 of the epic Cabover build. Shoot, I think we might even have a roof on today. We'll see. You guys stay tuned. All right, well, the gang's all here. Bill, what do we got planned to do today?
Work.
Lots of work. You think
work. Yeah.
You think we're gonna finish up today?
Nah, I think we're gonna have a couple more days just in cleanup and detailing, but we're gonna get the roof on today. We're gonna be able to get the front section on today and really make it look like a habitat.
Right on. It's already looking pretty doggone cool.
Pretty happy.
All of the glue is, of course, dry, so we can take the straps off.
Dave wants me to give an important message about tidiness and cleanliness. You notice my smock is getting a little dirty after a couple washes. Well, it's getting stained. Don't wear your Sunday best. If you're like me, get something that you can actually dispose of when you're done, because this Sikaflex does not come off. You cannot clean it. It's going to run whatever you get it on. So just wear something you can get rid of.
Order some of these online. Is it too much? Is it too much to ask? These are what, 15 bucks? Just go ahead and get one of these. Come on.
Napa's got the coveralls as well. Not a bad idea. All good. Okay. You want to grab the square and check it? All right, so at the end of day 1, starting day 2, we're testing these pieces. We came up with an idea that would have helped us on day 1. When we could leave day 1, if we would have let this piece be in place without glue, we could have made sure that this gap is exactly where we want it to be while the front wall dries. This side will be exposed. This will not be, because we have the stiffener bar that comes in there, but you can use the stiffener bar to hold all this in place while this dries before you go to the next step. So what I'm doing is I'm centering this piece up. It goes on the top. On each side of it is the departure approach angle extrusion. And there's a specific gap that's there for that. So what I'm doing is I'm centering this panel on this because this is actually centered there. And I'm gonna put a little piece of tape here and piece of tape here. So when I actually put it up there, I know the panel's centered. When I put it, secure it, shore it, bolt the brackets on, get it all ready to go, I know this panel's centered in that extrusion, which is perfect. All right, so we got these little brackets right here. These are assembly aids for putting this together. So this will actually help hold the pieces together nice and tight.
Well, that was the first half of day 2, and we made some excellent progress. Stay tuned next time for the conclusion of day 2 in my next video. Until then, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.